Keep your home safe with the best outdoor security systems. Featuring motion sensors, cameras, and smart alerts, they deter intruders and let you monitor your property anytime, anywhere. Starting at number 1, Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera. Arlo Ultra 2. Spotlight Camera 4K HDR, 2 cameras plus Smart Hub. A high-end wireless outdoor security system that delivers ultra-clear 4K HDR video, 180° wide-angle view, and color night vision to help you monitor your property day and night. It includes 2 weather-resistant cameras, an integrated spotlight, motion detection, and two-way audio so you can see, hear, and speak to visitors or intruders from your phone. A Smart Hub is required for full operation and enhanced connectivity. Number 2. Ring Floodlight Camera. Ring Floodlight Camera, motion-activated HD security cam. A powerful hardwired outdoor security camera with motion-activated LED floodlights, 1080 HD video, two-way talk, and a built-in siren alarm to protect your home's exterior. It delivers real-time motion alerts, live view with color night vision, and lets you see, hear, and speak to visitors from your phone or compatible Alexa devices. The camera's advanced motion detection and customizable zones help focus on the areas that matter most, while the integrated floodlights and siren act as deterrents to unwanted activity. Number 3. eufy Security eufyCam 2 Pro. eufy Security eufyCam 2 Pro Wireless Home Security Camera System 2-Cam Kit. A reliable wireless outdoor security system with up to 365-day battery life, crisp 2K video resolution, night vision, and IP67 weatherproofing for all-season protection. It offers two-way audio, smart human detection alerts, and local storage with no monthly fee, plus compatibility with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant for easy smart home integration. Number 4. Ring Stick Up Cam. Ring Stick Up Cam Plug-in Weather-Resistant Outdoor Camera. A versatile plug-in outdoor security camera that delivers 1080p HD live video, color night vision, motion-activated alerts, and two-way talk so you can see and speak to visitors right from your phone. It's built to withstand outdoor conditions and works with Alexa for hands-free voice control and smart home integration. Number 5. Google NC2400ES Nest Cam. Google Nest Cam Outdoor, model NC2400ES. 2-pack security cameras. A weather-resistant outdoor camera system that helps protect your home with 1080p HD video, a 130-degree wide-angle view, and night vision so you can see clearly in low light. These wired cameras connect over Wi-Fi, send motion and sound alerts to your phone, and include two-way talk via the Nest app so you can hear and speak with people outside. Built tough with an IP65 rating for rain or shine use, this 2-camera kit is ideal for monitoring driveways, backyards, and entryways.